In this class, we're going to go over questions on linear inequality. Okay, let's start with the first question. We are asked to find the range of the values of x for which 3 into bracket x plus 8 is less than 7x. Okay, please kindly pay attention. We are given that 3 into bracket x plus 8 is less than 7x. Now, what is the range of x? What is the range of the values of x for which 3 multiplied by x plus 8 is less than 7x? All you have to do is just to open the bracket, okay? I'm going to have 3x plus 24 is less than 7x, okay? Now, for let's like terms, here I'm going to have 3x minus 7x is less than negative 24, okay? Now, negative 4x is less than negative 24. Now, divide both sides by negative 4. I'm going to have this over negative 4 and this over negative 4. So, x will be greater than 6. That is the range of value of x that satisfy the inequality are those values of x that is greater than 6. This includes 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and so on. Okay, let's proceed to the second question. For what range of values of x is 4x minus 3 parentheses 2x minus 1 is greater than 1? Okay, please kindly pay attention. Question 2, we have 4x minus 3 2x minus 1 is greater than 1. Okay, for what range of the values of x is 4x minus 3 to the product to the parentheses of 2x minus 1 greater than 1? How do we solve this question? All you have to do is that you just have to simplify. Are you paying attention? So let's first deal with the bracket. Okay, let's deal with the parentheses. Here I'm going to have 4x minus 3 multiplied by 2x, that is negative 6x. Negative 3 multiplied by negative 1, that is positive 3, is greater than 1. Now, 4x minus 3x, that is what? Negative 2x. Okay? Now, I'm going to take these 3 to the other side of the equation. So, the positive sign becomes a negative. So, I'm going to have greater than 1 minus 3. You understand? So, I'm going to have minus 2x is greater than 1 minus 3. That will give us negative 2. So, I'm going to have negative 2. From this point, I'm going to divide both sides by negative 2. So, if I'm dividing both sides by negative 2, the sign is going to change from, we are going to reverse the inequality sign. You understand? That's what we learned in our previous class. Anytime you are dividing by a negative sign, the inequality sign is reversed. You understand? If it is greater than before, the sign is going to become less than. Okay? So, I'm going to have this divided by 2 and this divided by 2. This divided by negative 2. So I'm going to have x is less than 1. You understand? So that is the solution to the question. So the ranges of the values of x, that is, the range of the values of x is less than 1. Okay? So let's proceed to the third question. We are asked to solve the inequality x minus 4. Okay? That's question 3. X minus 4 into bracket x plus 2. X plus 2 is greater than 8 plus 5x. Okay. Let us simplify the inequality. We are going to have x, negative 4 multiplied by x, that is negative 4x. Negative 4 multiplied by plus 2, that is negative 8, is greater than 8 plus 5x. Okay? Now, x minus 4x, that is negative 3x. So I'm going to have negative 3x, negative 8 is greater than 8 plus 5x. Okay? Now, from this point, we're going to collect like terms. Okay? That means that I'm going to transfer this 5x to the left hand side of the equation. You understand? I'm going to transfer this to the left hand side. and I'm going to move this 8 to the right hand side. Okay, so I'm going to have negative 3x. Now, because the 5 is coming to the left hand side of the equation, the sign is going to change from positive to negative. So I'm going to have negative 5x is greater than 8. Now, because this negative 8 will crosses the equals to sign to the right hand side of the equation, the sign is going to become positive. So I'm going to have positive 8. Okay? Now, from this point, we're going to have negative 3x, negative 5x. That is negative 8x. Negative 8x is greater than, now 8 plus 8 is what? 16. So I'm going to have is greater than 16. Now, from this point, we're going to divide both sides by negative 8. You understand? And I told you, anytime you are dividing by a negative number, the sign, the inequality sign will be reversed. Did you understand? So here I'm going to have this divided by negative 8 and this divided by negative 8. I'm going to have x is, now because I'm having greater than sign, the inequality sign will be reversed, and the reason is because we are dividing by a negative sign. So I'm going to have x is less than 2. You understand? So that is the solution to that question. Okay, let us proceed to the fourth question. We are asked to solve the inequality 1 over 3 multiplied by 2x minus 1 is less than 5. 1 over 3 multiplied by 2x minus 5, okay, minus 1 is less than 5. Okay, so how do we solve this inequality? Please kindly pay attention. Look at this. If I have, please pay attention. If I have 1 over 2 multiplied by x, that is what? 1 over 2 multiplied by x, which is what? X all over 2. You understand? Okay, so here 1 over 3 multiplied by 2x minus 1 will be 2x minus 1 all over 3 is less than 5. And 5 can be written as what? 5 over 1. Okay, 5 can be written as 5 over 1. So let's put over 1. Here we can multiply both sides by 3. Okay, you see, my goal is to eliminate the 3 that is at the denominator of 2x minus 1. You understand? The goal here is to eliminate the 3 that is at the denominator of 2x minus 1. So if I'm to eliminate this 3, I'm going to multiply both sides by 3. So I'm going to have, please pay attention, 3 multiplied by 2x minus 1 all over 3 less than 5 all over 1 multiplied by 3 as well. So multiply this by 3. Do you understand? Okay, so this 3 will cancel this 3. You understand? So I'm left with what? 2x minus 1 is less than 5 multiplied by 3. That is 15. So 2x minus 1 is less than 15. Now, from this point, we can collect like terms. Okay, so if I want to collect like terms, I'm going to transfer this negative 1 to the right hand side of the inequality. You understand? So I'm going to have 2x. Are you paying attention? 2x is less than 15 plus 1. 2x is less than 16. So from this point, we're going to divide both sides by 2. So I'm going to have this divided by 2 and this divided by 2. X is less than 8. Okay, so that is the solution to the question. I'm very sure you understood what we've learned in this class. If you didn't understand, kindly let me know in the comment section, okay? And if you have any question regarding what we've learned in this class, let me know as well in the comment section, okay? Don't forget to like and share the video, okay? And if you want to be part of this channel, kindly subscribe, but please don't forget to like and share the video. See you in the next class.